Hello today and welcome to Food with Thomas. Today I'll be making microwaved boiled eggs. Some of you may know what this is, I do, but some of you may not, so I will not spoil it. I have been suggested this by one of my personal friends, so I'll just get into it. So, first I have to boil an egg and then microwave it. So, I am going to microwave the egg, boil it first. To then leave them for 10 minutes to simmer to hard boil. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. So basically I need some ice to cool the egg down after it comes out of the boil. But it will still keep the inside hot to make it the yummiest as possible. So I will now start gathering the ice in a bowl. So I will get some water from the tap and then I will fill it with ice. So now I need to be very steady to put the ice in the water. I will do this by first getting a cup and filling it with ice. Come on. Finally, it's working. I knew the kick would have worked. Oh, this is quite a bit of ice. Anyway, I'll now add it. The satisfying crackle of ice. So, now, that's all I need. The hard-boiled eggs are finished, so I will get them out. So, I will get the first one. The second, you can see the little steam off them. So let's wait for a while, maybe 2 minutes or so. Goodbye for now. So now I'm peeling the eggs. Sheesh. Oh no, it is broken. It doesn't matter, we have 2 others. Let's discard this one for now. Let's do this one. Perfect. So, let's now open it. So now I have it on the plate and ready to go. So let's put it in the microwave. So let's put it in and wait for 20 seconds.
Say 30.
So let's go. So this is our second take because the first one failed. But I'll see you in a while. Hello, I'm back. I need to be quite rushed due to the fact that I don't really know. I think it's to do with the warmth. Ooh, that is quite warm. I'm going to go get another knife. So, let's go. Yeah, that was hilarious. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.